Welcome to Little Cumbrae Island, a hidden gem on the west coast of Scotland. Steeped in history and surrounded by breathtaking views, Little Cumbrae is home to ancient ruins, rolling hills and extraordinary wildlife. Discover the 14th century Little Cumbrae Castle, once a lookout post guarding the Clyde. Explore two historic lighthouses guiding sailors through the Firth of Clyde for generations. At the heart of the island lies the magnificent Mansion House, a place where stories of the past meet the promise of the future. Seal Island, just offshore, is a haven for wildlife. Look out for dolphins, porpoises, seabirds, and of course, the island's resident seals. Whether you're seeking peace and quiet, adventure in nature, or a moment of reflection, Little Cumbrae offers a truly unforgettable escape. With plans underway to welcome visitors, restore historic sites, and preserve its natural beauty, Little Cumbrae is ready to share its story with the world. Little Cumbrae, a place to explore, a place to remember.